In this video I'll show you how to remove, replace and refit with new and upgraded front windscreen wipers on a Jaguar X type 03 to 09. So stay tuned and I'll see you after this short break. Split, rubbing and non-functioning wipers are very distracting when we need to concentrate on driving, but many of us put off fixing these until they become so bad they end up becoming annoying. But for a small amount of money they can be fixed very easily, and it's best to do these sooner rather than later, as we all know just how pleasurable smooth running wipers are when it starts to rain. The Jaguar X type has a common loop design attachment that needs to be lifted away from the windscreen to be removed. First, put something protective behind the wipers, as they are spring loaded and could chip the glass if you accidentally let go of the arm with the wipers removed. I've used some felt tabletop protector material here, which is just ideal. Turn the blade slightly, as so, and push back the plastic carrier until the hook is clear, and then lift it through the frame. And from another angle, I would only recommend high quality wipers that equal and surpass the original OEM wipers, and if you're fitting these frame type ones, then first check the length so you're fitting the right one to the right side. The X type takes 22 inch and 19 inch, with the smaller one going on the passenger side. To fit a new frame style of wiper, pass the loop through the frame beyond the carrier and then pull back until the clip clicks into place securely, like so. I've decided to fit these Bosch Aero Twin blades as they work extremely well and improve vision through the windscreen, as you're more likely to look at the road rather than a pair of coat hangers when it's raining. You can see here the difference between the fittings. The original frame type of wiper has a plastic recessed carrier that flexes a small amount to allow the wiper blade to stay on the glass, which is replicated with a similar type of carrier in the new Aero Twin wiper blade. To fit these, squeeze together the two knurl parts on the side of the unit to open the top cover. Push the loop through this and hook over the carrier. Then pull back until it clicks into place. Then lower the top cover and click into place. And here it is from another angle. The hook seems to stick underneath the carrier sometimes, so you've just got to make sure that the arm is fully down into the recess. And there we have it, job done. All we've got to do now is test it and sit back and enjoy a lovely, pleasurable and quiet, smooth wiping action. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.